Then, Tejas, how can I carry songs on a pen drive or CD? You might have seen CD also. If you have not, then in after at the back of your book, you are having a CD to download the softwares in your laptop. So you might have seen the CD and pen drive also, and these are known as the external secondary storage device. These are the external secondary storage devices. Then Moses giving the answer to Tejas that you need a blank external storage device and copy the files to that device. To use a pen drive, insert it in the USB port of the computer. If you want to use a pen drive, then we need a kind of a hole on the laptop, and that hole is basically known as the USB port. Once the device is recognized by the computer, you can copy the songs from the computer to it. So here, let's learn that how basically we can insert a CD or a pen drive inside the computer. Now let us have a look first that how can we use a CD to transfer the files from one computer to another. As you can see that this is the CPU, and every CPU is having a CD drive. CD drive means where we keep our CD. Then here we will press this tray, and then we will place the CD or DVD whatever you are having and in which you want to save the files. And then uh, when uh, when it is being when we insert that CD inside the tray, then it shows us a message that you have inserted the CD, we have recognized that CD, and now you can transfer the files into it. Same thing with the pen drive also. If you have seen, if you are having a laptop, then here you can see that these are the two USB port. USB port is basically a kind of a hole where we can easily put or insert our pen drive into it. Then we plug our pen drive into these USB port, and then we can easily move the files from pen drive to the computer or from computer to the pen drive. So this is the way we use the pen drive or CD to copy the files inside or outside the computer. Now next page, some external secondary storage devices. Now we have seen that there are the two storage device which were internal. In internal we were having two types of the devices. One is your primary memory and second is your secondary storage device. Now these are the internal devices. These two are the internal devices. But if we talk about the external storage devices, hard disk is the internal storage device. But if we further classify the secondary storage devices with the name internal and external, then hard disk will always come inside the computer. Therefore, it is the internal secondary storage device. And next is the second external storage device. External storage device, here we are having three types. External means which are not inside the computer, we use it externally so that we can store the information from or to the computer. And the examples are CD, DVD and pen drive. Now the full form of CD is compact disc. Full form of DVD is digital versatile disc, and third one is the pen drive. These are those storage devices that are externally used, which are not the part of the computer, but we use these devices so that we can store the files inside. We can store the files into them. Now, what are these devices? Here, the compact disc, this is the CD. It is a kind of a storage device popularly known as the CD. The full form of CD is compact disc. Please underline this full form. CD is compact disc. It is a circular shaped flat piece. As you can see, every CD will be a circular shaped flat piece of the plastic and has a shiny surface. As you can see, different types of colors is visible on the CD. It has a shiny surface on one side. You can store songs, pictures, games, and many more things on it. Owing to their compact size, they can be easily carried from one place to another place. We can keep the CD in the CD box and we can take it any other place, and they can be easily carried from one place to another. You need a CD drive in the computer to play a CD, but to play a CD we need a CD drive. Next is the digital versatile disc or DVD. It is a storage device that looks like a CD. As you can see that both are same. We can't differentiate between CD and DVD by just looking at the shape and the color. But there is a difference. As you can see here, the colors are very light, but in case of the DVD the colors are very dark. That means it can store more data as compared to the CD. And how much data it can store? It can store 6 times more data or more songs or more files than a CD in it. Now next is the pen drive. Pen drive is the latest storage device that is incredibly easy to carry because of its size. It can even fit in your pocket and is equally easy to use because it can be inserted in a computer using a USB port. Always remember this point, that pen drive is always inserted inside the USB port, and for CD and DVD we need a CD or DVD player or CD or DVD drive. It allows you to store and transfer your favorite movie, song, picture, etc. to and from a computer quickly. So this is the pen drive. You have seen pen drive. Pen drive is basically the name we have given to this storage device as a pen drive because it can be kept inside the pocket and it can be carried very, we can carry it very easily. So this was all about the type of the storage device. I hope that the lesson will be clear to you, the concept will be clear to you. Please also undergo with the concept clear video so that it is easy for you to understand and to read this lesson. Thank you.